guys. It's wonderful to have you here as always. So today I want to try and see if I can get this thing to fire up. Probably not going to finish it off 100%, but I got a little bit of time, so I want to try and see if I can get it to start, I guess. Basically I just got to get the throttle body back on, get underneath, clip up a couple of clips, and I think that's pretty much it as far as it goes for the wiring side of things. At least to start it, make sure that it's going to run, and then from there I'll work on the other bits of wiring I need to do, like the gauge install, put the boost pipe back on, and a few other bits and pieces. So stick around, I'll get stuck into that stuff, and then we'll see if she fires up. I'm hoping she does, because that was a lot of work and I don't want to have to do any of it again. Anyway, I'll get you guys on the tripod and we'll see how we go. Might just throw a zip tie around that quickly.
So that should go there. This should go there. This should go there. And this guy should go there. And then black on the black, grey, on the grey. Put my manifold reference back on. There we have it. That should be it.
I probably should go and get the laptop, test all the outputs and shit first, but I think I might just try and start it. Plug the battery back in. Nothing's frying yet. See if the fuel pump primes. Okay, let's see you get that out. Alright, here goes nothing. Alright, well, that's going to be it from me today, guys. I'm pretty happy with that. I think that was a pretty good success in my part. Only a little bit of trouble was with that fuel pump, but that was just my own fuck up with my own little bit of wiring there under that fuse box. Plugged a relay into the right spot and my little jumper wire into the right spot, and she kicked straight into life. Next time I start her up, I'll probably plug the laptop in, just make sure all the sensors are working. Things like oil pressure, fuel pressure. Oil pressure will be working because it's got a safety on it, so that if it doesn't see anything under or any oil pressure over 1 bar, it cuts the engine, so I doubt it would have started. Fuel pressure I'm not sure about yet, I gotta plug the laptop in to go and see that. But yeah, I mean, I'm happy with it. Sounded like it was running fine. I didn't hear basically anything too untoward to tell me that there's anything wrong. So I think proof is in the pudding. I'm happy with that. So next video, sorry. I got this eBay oil pressure gauge and another water temp. So I'll be installing those guys in the car. The ECU does monitor oil pressure, but I want to have an external gauge just so that I can monitor it. Make sure it's not doing anything funny like fluctuating or too low or all that sort of nonsense. It's just good to have a gauge to monitor it yourself, so that way you don't need a laptop to see what it's doing. My temperature gauge is faulty, so I'm just replacing it. Hopefully the eBay one will be alright. My sandwich plate has an adapter to hopefully take that oil pressure sender. And yeah, other than that, put my catch can back in, tidy up a couple other bits and pieces, and then I'll be on the Willowbank to see when they're open next and when Nugget Garage is going to be out there next. That's going to be it from me in this video, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching. Hopefully it'll turn out as nice as I want to portray it, but yeah. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one when we throw those gauges in the car. But yeah, until then, leave a like, throw a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Alright, well, I'm pretty happy with that. That seems to have been a roaring success. I still need to plug the laptop in and check that everything's doing its stuff, but I think the proof is in the pudding right there. Ran fine. Tidy up a couple other bits and pieces, and then I'll be on to Willowbank to see when they're open next and when Nugget Garage is going to be out there next. So I can have a crack at Kenny the Savage. But anyway,